Have you ever heard that gold is the safest investment? What if I told you there are strategies that could turn your investment portfolio into a real treasure, outshining even the luster of gold? Forget everything you thought you knew about quick money and safe investments. Today, you're going to discover how the financial world has transformed and what methods smart investors are using to multiply their wealth. Get ready, because we're about to unearth the investment strategies changing the game and how you can start applying them right now to make your money work for you. Forget the myths. It's time to invest with a vision for the future. Since ancient times, gold has been a symbol of wealth and power. Entire civilizations have minted, stored, and adored it. For centuries, this precious metal has been the quintessential safe haven for kings, merchants, and, more recently, anyone wanting to preserve their wealth against economic uncertainty. But is gold still the undisputed champion of investments? In the modern world, opportunities shine in more places than just precious metal mines. Let's dive into how this ancient constant is being challenged by new financial giants and what that means for your money. Think of gold like a classic movie, respected for its history, but maybe not the most exciting option on today's billboard. Now, imagine the financial market as the most anticipated premiere, full of twists, cutting-edge technology, and, of course, spectacular profit opportunities. Shares of innovative companies, cryptocurrencies that defy norms, and real estate with revaluation potential are taking center stage. With data showing returns that sometimes leave gold in the dust, investors are rewriting the financial game rules. And yes, there's volatility, there's risk, but there's also something gold can't offer: the explosive return potential in the information and innovation era. Are you ready to see how you can be part of this new wealth era? Here's where strategy meets opportunity. There's a mystique surrounding gold, beliefs that have kept it on a pedestal over the years. It's said to be the safest investment, always increasing in value, crisis-proof. But is it really as golden as they paint it? Today, we'll unveil truths many keep under lock and key. For example, did you know gold is not always the highest performing asset, nor the most liquid, nor the easiest to manage? Not to mention, it does not produce dividends or interest. Meanwhile, there are investment options that, well understood and managed, can offer growth and benefits even in times of economic uncertainty. A common myth about gold is that it always maintains its value and is the best hedge against inflation. Although gold has historically been considered a value reserve, its price can be extremely volatile in the short and medium term. Moreover, it has not always outpaced inflation consistently. For example, adjusting for inflation, the gold price peaks of the early 80s, we find investors had to wait nearly 3 decades to really start seeing gains in real terms. Another myth is that gold is a safe investment in times of economic crisis. While it's true that gold can perform well during certain periods of economic uncertainty, it's not infallible. During the 2008 financial crisis, gold initially lost value before starting its climb. This shows that, like any investment, gold is also subject to market fluctuations and may not act as a perfect hedge at all times. A widely spread myth about gold is that it's a completely safe and risk-free asset. Many believe that, being a physical resource with a historical demand, investing in gold is always a safe bet without dangers. However, like with any investment, there are associated risks. The price of gold can be highly volatile, influenced by factors such as central bank monetary policy, the strength of the US dollar, interest rates, and demand in jewelry and technology. Additionally, storing physical gold carries security risks and additional costs, such as insurance and secure storage. These aspects underline that, although gold has a place in a diversified portfolio, considering it completely risk-free is a myth. At the core of modern investment lie strategies that, though less sparkling than gold in a showcase, can be much more luminous in terms of performance. Investing in shares of innovative companies. Investing in shares isn't just about choosing well-reputed companies, but identifying those that are paving the way to the future. Look for companies in sectors like green technology, artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and cybersecurity. These areas not only promise long-term growth, but also have the potential to revolutionize how we live. When selecting shares, consider the financial solidity of the company, its capacity for innovation, and its market position against competitors. Cryptocurrencies, the digital frontier of money. Cryptocurrencies have moved from being a curiosity to a legitimate and potentially lucrative asset class. Investing here requires a solid understanding of blockchain technology and a well-thought-out investment strategy. Diversifying within this space is crucial, as there are thousands of cryptocurrencies, each with its own purpose and potential. Additionally, security in managing your digital assets is paramount. Use reliable wallets and consider cold storage for large amounts.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
Real estate market. Beyond buying to rent. Real estate offers several paths, from buying to rent to investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, that allow participation in a variety of properties without direct management. The key here is research and diversification. Consider different types of properties in various geographies and market segments, such as residential, commercial, and logistic. Real estate investment can provide stable passive income and good capital appreciation over the long term, especially in locations with high growth potential. These strategies share a common denominator: deep market knowledge and strategic planning. It's not about going with the flow, but understanding where, when, and how to invest. And with technology on our side, analyzing trends and making informed decisions is more accessible than ever. Starting in the world of modern investment might seem like a maze for novices, but with the right guidance, it's like following a treasure map directly to the loot. Here's a 4-step compass to guide you. First step, financial education. Before investing a penny, invest in your knowledge. Read books by financial gurus, take online courses, and stay up to date with market news. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. Second step, assess your financial situation. Define your goals, know your risk tolerance, and determine your investment horizon. This will help you build a diversified portfolio aligned with your personal needs and goals. Third step, choose your tools. From investment apps to trading platforms and digital wallets, select the tools that will facilitate your operations and keep you connected with your investments. Fourth step, strategy execution. Start with small investments to get familiar with the process. Monitor your investments and adjust your strategy based on market behavior and your goals. Remember, investment is a marathon, not a sprint. This process, though simple in essence, is powerful. It prepares you not only to make smart financial decisions, but also to adjust your sails when market winds change. With these steps, the path to financial freedom becomes clearer and more attainable. Even the most experienced investors can fall into traps if they're not careful. Let's defuse some mines that might be hidden on your path to wealth. First, the mistake of putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversification isn't just a buzzword, it's your financial lifeline. No matter how bright an investment seems, diversification is key. Then, the fear of losses can paralyze you. But remember, fear is not a financial advisor. Volatility is part of the game, and patience is your ally. Price drops can be disguised opportunities for those who know how to wait. And don't forget the deceptive shine of new trends. Not every new fad is worth your money. Research before diving into the pool of the latest and loudest investment opportunities. Finally, don't underestimate the power of technology. In this digital age, advanced tools and algorithms can help you identify patterns, predict trends, and make database decisions. Today's smart investor uses artificial intelligence as their compass to navigate the markets. Avoiding these mistakes will put you on the fast track to capitalizing on your investments and, more importantly, maintaining and growing your wealth over time. Keep these tips in mind, and you're on your way to making financial decisions with confidence and clarity. Now that you've unraveled the secrets of modern investment and how to shine brighter than gold, it's your time to act. Don't let your journey towards financial freedom be just a dream. Start today. Research, learn, and most importantly, take the first step. And remember, every great fortune started with a decision. If this journey has inspired you, share this knowledge. Spread the word, because true wealth is magnified when shared. Like this video if it has brought you value, and subscribe for more guides that will transform not just how you see investments, but how you act upon them. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the depths of modern investment. There are more treasures waiting to be discovered, and together, we will find them. Stay tuned, curious, and ready for the next financial adventure. Until then, keep building your empire, step by step, investment by investment. See you next time.